Question. Find the sum of the products of the corresponding terms of the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8, 2, 1/2। इन दो सीक्वेंस के गुणनफल का योगफल हमें ज्ञात करना है। गिवन टू सीक्वेंसेस आर 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8, 2, 1/2। Sum of the products of the corresponding terms of these two sequences. AS is equal to 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 8, 16 into 2, or AS is equal to 256 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32. First term of this GP is 256. This is GP whose first term is A is equal to 256 and common ratio is 128 upon 256 is equal to 1 upon 2. We have to take only 5 terms. Therefore, there is no dash. 32 into 1/2, 16. Number of terms is 5. Sum Sn is equal to R is 1/2, which is less than 1. Therefore, formula will be A 1 minus R power n 1 minus R. Putting the value of A and R and n. A is 256, R is 1/2 power 5, n is 5. 256 1 minus 1/32 1/2. 256 into 2/1 into 32 minus 1/32. 256 into 2 into 31 upon 32. After solving this, we get 496 answer. 496. Question. Show that the products of the corresponding terms of sequences A, AR, AR square and so on, AR power n minus 1 and A, AR, capital AR square and so on, AR power n minus 1 form a GP and find the common ratio. Given two sequences are small a small r, AR n minus 1, capital A, capital A, capital R, capital A, capital R square and so on, capital A, capital R power n minus 1. Sum of products of this corresponding terms of these two sequences AS is equal to A into capital A plus AR into capital AR plus AR square into capital A R square plus small a r power n minus 1 into capital A capital R power n minus 1 is equal to small a capital A plus small a capital A into R capital R plus AA into small r square capital R square plus AA R small r into small capital R power n minus 1. We have to prove this is GP T2 upon T1. A into RR upon AA is equal to small r capital R. T3 upon T2 AA into R square upon A cancel AR R is equal to 2 पावर में से 1 पावर कम हो जाएगा स्मॉल r कैपिटल R. Since T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2, therefore it is in GP and common ratio is small r capital R. Question: find 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9 and the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. Let 4 numbers in GP are A, AR, AR square and AR cube. As for first condition, third term is greater than the first term by 9. T3 is AR square, T1 is A plus 9 or AR square minus A is equal to 9. Taking A common, R square minus 1 is equal to 9. Number 1. As per second condition, second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. Second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. Second term T2 is greater than fourth term by 18. Fourth term T4 plus 18. T2 is AR. T4 is AR cube. Taking this term to left hand side, AR minus AR cube is equal to 18. Taking AR common, 1 minus R square 18. Number 2. Divide 2 by 1. AR ब्रैकेट में 1 माइनस R स्क्वायर अपॉन A R स्क्वायर माइनस 1 18 अपॉन 9. A cancel, it will be minus 1. R into minus 1 is equal to 2 or R is equal to minus 2. Put this value of R in 1. A r square minus 1 minus 2 square minus 1 is equal to 9. A 4 minus 1 is equal to 9. 3a is equal to 9. Or a is equal to 9 upon 3. 3. Putting the values of a and r in this answer, required 4 numbers are a 3 ar 3 into minus 2 ar square 3 into minus 2 ka square and 3 into r cube minus 2 cube, that is 3 minus 6 12 minus 24.